Whatever it is we chase, that's what we chase, that emotion, and that's what makes you train harder when you're a player. That's what makes you care more to get to the pros, and that's why we play the game, is because that whatever that is inside you that you feed off of, that's what it is, and we got to do it again. Not many people get to do that again. So if you could, like, if there was one thing you could bottle and give somebody as a gift, it would be that feeling when you go out on the ice right there in front of people and play with emotion.
Yeah, it was, why not? He's the best guy. He's one of my closest friends. He's a part of this history, and we miss him big time and wish he was here.
You ready to play tomorrow?
I'm done. I'm officially announced my retirement for the game of hockey again.
Yeah, no, it was great to have that opportunity. I didn't really, you don't really get a chance to say goodbye. You don't get a chance to throw the jersey on again. This gives you an opportunity to kind of rekindle the glory days and play with this group of guys, many of whom I played with, and it's just great to be a part of this game and this event. It's pretty special.